Welcome back to another video. In this video we are gonna address the situation behind the TV, which is the wall, the heating wall. As you remember, we worked on it and we actually discovered it and kind of cleared it out and using it. We have been using it for more than a month now, and we have to address the situation which is around the bricks. So we want to kind of cover them with white paint so it's all kind of equal, but first we gotta clear coat them. There's also some yellow spots, so since we're painting a lot of things in the house, we just gotta paint everything. So let's get started and clear coat the wall.
It looks like Tetris, doesn't it? Like they're going down the zigzag one and the straight piece. What's coming up next? It's a bit of a chaos. Whoa, that looks really awful. Why does it look so much worse than before? It looks like a maze and tunnels. That looks bad. The mix thing we bought, that the proper professional expensive thing, is really bad.
Oh shit, I'm pushing the stove away.
That's what I had the problem.
I'm like undusting it.
I mean, even if we do the clear, the
No,
water-based one, it's still gonna do it.
lock, you see?
Yeah, I know. That is really bad.
It's gonna ruin my roller.
You've gotta put something
Look
on
at
it.
the
Maybe
paintbrush is
it's like
completely
a
covered
sandcastle.
in sand, yeah.
And that one is the one you made yourself.
Yeah, that's my same homemade look.
Perfect.
It's a bit too hard, but I probably can
Still
get it
gonna
off,
come
so.
off. But the other thing that is like untouchable. Should I make it wet maybe for no?
Yeah, come get me spray maybe.
Maybe we spray it and then clear coat it.
Give me spray.
No, the water is not gonna do it because then it's not gonna dry actually, and then the lac it's not gonna soak in. Or if you cannot do it with a paper either. Nothing. That is awful junk. It's like a sandcastle.
Every wipe is more or less.
And it's leaking and all. Oh, we're making it worse. But like.
The funny thing is, every wipe it's like removes it. Look. Oh.
What is? Oh. And we're not doing anything wrong.
The thing is, it falls apart
I
like
know.
sand. It's like I'm trying to paint a beach. That's how bad it is. This is the stuff that was our stove made out of, the one that we destroyed in the bathroom.
Maybe the proper professional thing. It's not paintable.
It's not gonna paint. It's gonna do the second.
Oh my!
It's gonna ruin my roller. It's gonna be all in the roller.
And then all of it in the wall. Wow.
And then your paint. Then your the problem is that like now it's turning brown, right? But we're going over white, so it's fine. But tomorrow white is gonna turn brown.
Spraying it would make sense, in a sense.
Yeah, like if you spray the lac on, but we're not gonna go get a spray gun and a compressor.
Okay, kind of working. Kind of working. Kind of leave it. Okay.
You can't leave it. It's still not done. Once it hardens, it will be hard.
And that is not, don't worry, it's not something we need openable. The openable one.
Yeah, this one's from the kitchen,
Where's
so
this
which is
one?
no longer
Around.
active.
Wait, this one is also. Oh, that's also the bad one. Okay,
Yeah.
well, don't touch. I don't know.
We're just not gonna paint those. We're just gonna go around.
Just
them.
avoid them.
But here it's kind of in your way, in your face, kind of.
Yeah, it has to be done. Trying to make something more beautiful, but turning it more ugly.
This is where it went, yeah. Pretty much.
That wall transformed so beautifully.
Now it's really gorgeous.
Now it's just beauty.
I think leave it like this.
How did we do such a beauty?
So leave it like this. I vote.
Oh my goodness, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
Amazing.
This room doesn't look so bad.
Incredible job on making it extremely
I
ugly.
think that's beautiful. I think
that has a character and we should leave it.
honestly, why is my gloves red?
I made from the con. Was pink.
What? This was my con hobby. This is painting one.
I don't know. Okay, well, let's hope that when it dries, it's gonna be able to paint.
Something at least.
That's what my grandpa does. And probably is doing right now watching it.
So we have 3 days later. This is all dry, this beautiful ugly mess. And yeah, it's nice and hard, except where I didn't do it, which is the very top there and the side, because I just got so annoyed of it leaking like crazy that I just didn't do it. But we're gonna try and see, maybe paint sticks better to it, maybe it doesn't. But otherwise, we're just gonna be able to cover that and all these yellow spots and pretty much make it look nice, because currently it looks like someone just puked all over the wall in every single direction.
It looks like an elephant just had a big poop.
It's not good. So let's get the white paint and cover this up and see how nice we can make it.
That's how quickly something can go from like ugly to really bad.
Okay, let's try to fix it.
Okay, let's move the TV forward first. And by the way, quick update on the TV. The heating wall is getting really nicely hot, but not too hot for the TV.
TV has not said I'm hot a
No.
single time.
No, and it's not
warm.
like it's warm, but not.
But it's not
Yeah. All good.
unreasonably hot.
So we don't need to go to plan B, C, whatever plan we had. Okay, wait. Is everything unplugged?
Nope, nothing.
Moment of all truth. No, don't go from the top, because the top is not. Do we just want to do leaking? Okay, do that wall, because that's
ready.
the safest. That's the safest. Okay, we gotta do.
We have done no paper, nothing. This is just a do it.
Just do it and.
Just do it. Oh, this is really yellowed. Wow.
I mean, that is now how long?
4 years.
4?
For sure.
4.5. Actually, we did it the first.
First years, no, second years.
First year we did it.
After Christmas though, no?
Yeah.
So,
No?
it might be exactly 4 years, I think. Not 5 yet.
Don't remember exactly.
After first Christmas, I think. And this, I think, is also from the stones
No,
and
wait.
stuff.
We did the other side of the wall. That we
at the
did
color
in
difference.
September.
It's crazy how much time can
Yeah.
affect.
That's what we were saying about like in the hallway that anyways in like 4 years
You gotta go over it, yeah.
if you want it to look fresh, of course.
You could leave it if you like it to go beige.
It's a cheap way of going beige
Yeah.
by time. Okay, I think that wow. That is a nice fresh up touch up.
Wow, that is worse in the front there. Why is-
Okay, that's really good.
It's good. Is it good? But is it really good?
That wall looks incredible. Let's hope that that poop can also leave. But we're gonna do it last, so. And by the way, the 4 holes that we made for the heating wall, I know it sounds lazy, whatever, but we did not do them because it would be the same story as that.
And also we need to open them every year.
And also we need to open them every
year almost.
Every 2 years?
Every one year you can also do it.
Yeah.
Every 2 years, definitely every year would be the best because it might build up fast, we don't know. So
we'd just rather check it next year, like before the heating season starts. And anyways, the TV goes against it and you don't see any of that. The worst, of course, is that. That was unnecessary as well to do, except of the second dumper. But this was not necessary, but we didn't know that, so it's okay. As long as we're getting that nice, which looks incredible, we're good. Yeah, just please avoid that.
yeah, it's instantly it just goes on my brush.
I don't know, like I think you could see it. How much? It's like
It's not even having a structure.
nothing. And
It's like sand with water.
Okay. It looks like nothing was ever there.
So as you can see, it looks a lot better, definitely better than it was. I wish that top was there finished, but I think I can live with it. And we might just go and scrape it off and put fresh cement whenever we feel like doing it. But I think for now it's gonna work out pretty good. And we've been filming a lot of videos these days. We've been filming pretty much double or triple videos a day. So we are specifically doing this so we can have some Christmas days off, but still provide you guys with content. So make sure you subscribe because there's a lot of things coming, a lot of exciting projects we've been started, and it's gonna be crazy. You're gonna see exactly what we're gonna be doing, and many more things we need to do still. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and we're gonna see you in the next time. This is amazing. This thing's been working great. Everything's working great. The wall is working amazing with the roof, the chimney, sucker, pipe. So yeah, bye-bye.
Beautiful. Ready for a cozy Christmas? And can we decorate Christmas trees? Finally.
Maybe in a week. By how fast we're going. There's the decorations.
Just gotta throw them on.